So this will be a video on editing a portion of a FlexBook. Then yes, you can share entire FlexBooks with your class if you'd like. So I like the new experience a little bit better. Let's go to Earth Science. And this time FlexBook textbook. And we're going to do this one. And what you want to do is look at Customize. And it'll give you some enhancements. So this will be where you could say change the title of the book. If you wanted to upload resources of your own, you could do that here. Let's go back to edit. So let's say I don't want to include that. I don't want to include that. So I'm going to remove everything except just one specific item. Typically you wouldn't go through and remove chapters from the book, but it just makes it easier for me to focus on what I want to actually edit. You can also move things here. Climate, let's pop that up to the top. And it automatically renumbers things for you. If you want to edit the name, you could. And the description, the introduction, summary, you could put your information in here. You could upload files if you had files to add to that chapter. Attributions, you might want to put your own name there. And so we'll say, you know, GW Climate, just so that we can see something different here. So that changed that. Coming down to these items, if you wanted to change something here, we're going to click on just that particular area. And this will be where you actually get the opportunity to edit items within that chapter, that section. You can insert your own videos. It does have different formatting tools. There are math editors, special characters. You can insert images. So there are quite a few things that you can do here, and the main thing is that you can decide what you want to keep, what you don't, and again, you could upload files for this particular section of your book, and you could change the details. So let's say I found a great video on Inside the Earth. So I found a video. And I could come along and also, maybe add a bullet. You get it. And again, careful of, there's an inside slider as well as the outside slider. And if you don't like what you did, you can discard it. When we want to say, you could keep it as a draft if you're not finished yet. Or we could go ahead and just, finalize the draft. Boom. So at this point, I've created that. And I'm going to now, so basically at this point, we're going to now create the assignment. And just click select again. Do here, save and publish. And again, I got stuck, but I can just say leave. And here is the section that I decided to post in Canvas. And you can embed the video. It's simple as well, but in this case on TeacherTube or on YouTube, if you find these, typically there's an embedded player that you can use, or the URL, which is what I used for my assignment. So that's about it for this one.